Hey there, it's Aaron. In this video, I am going to colorize 3 different vintage style images that I generated with AI that I think are very nice and I think will really benefit from bringing color into their world. So I'll just quickly show you the 3 images. This is the first one. This one is very striking with the piercing eyes looking directly at us. And I think that this third one is quite charming as well. So the way that we access the colorizing feature is to go here into neural filters, which are primarily AI-based filters, functionality, we will say. And it is as easy as and as fast as hitting that colorize button and waiting for it to quickly spring into action. So wow, what a great job. Let's go back here to our main screen so we can have a closer inspection. So let's see what it did with the colorizing. There are issues with this AI image and its eyes. If I was going to be using it for any purpose, I'd get in there and fix these eyes. But for our purposes here, we're just interested more in the shadows, highlights, and natural look of the skin tone, which I think the colorizing did an excellent job of here. It looks very natural. From a distance, it looks like a photograph. Once you get in closer, it does have a bit more of a hyper-real feel than a photoreal, and I think that that's mostly because of the eyes. Also missing some eyelashes here. So there you go. Not a perfect image, but in terms of the colorizing, I think that it did a great job. So let's try our second image here, which I think is just a great AI-generated image. It's so natural looking, very striking face, details are nice. We do have a superfluous chain going down here that needs to be removed. Since I'm here and the remove tool is right on it, let's go ahead and do that. Like so. Should take care of that problem. And then we can go in and colorize. I think that this one is really going to pop. Although there are some differences on either side of the face in terms of the shadowing here. So let's see what happens. So we'll go back into filter, neural filters. Get our colorize button back here again. And just like that. Let's see how it works out. So it is very natural looking. I think that she looks fantastic. There are a couple of issues though. Here in the lip, you'll see how it's sort of unbalanced. That's from the shadows and the heavy highlights there. And then here under the eyes, it looks like she was in a boxing match. Now, it wouldn't be easy to get in here with either the remove tool or the spot healing, at least not with its current resolution. In theory, you could get in here, highlight that, change some curves, and do a lot of work. For our purposes here, I'm really more interested in the overall effect because we're really just looking at AI colorizing and what it can do. Look at how natural the textures are on the skin. Just incredible. Hair looks great. Beautiful. So I think that colorizing that image definitely did a lot for it. And really, AI generated this image. It looks like somebody that you could reach out and touch. Let's have a look at our third image. This is a really pretty shot. And the eyes are very nicely done. Lips are nice. All the features are nice. Nice detail with the lines up at the top. Hair is great. Light reflection through the hair is awesome. So, obviously I like the image. Let's go here into neural filters and see what we can do with some colorizing. Just like that. I hope she's going to shine. Ooh, very nice. Let's have a look at this. So it kind of looks like something from the 1940s or 50s. I think it's really cool. Let's have a look at the overall skin tone. Very natural. Here to here, light highlights. I think that it works well. It looks natural between the highlight here and the heavy shadowing over here, the shadowing on the neck. The highlighting in the hair is excellent. Didn't really add any extra colorizing. Added a bit of extra color down in this corner here, but overall the effect is really nice. So that was really quick and really fun. Let's see what we ended up with. So here is our third image. Beautiful. Number 2. And this was our first. So what do you think? Do you think that the colorizing looks natural? Do you think that there's room for improvement? If you enjoyed the video, then like and subscribe to encourage me to make more of them. And with that, I will see you the next time.